Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 33. What is the additive inverse of minus 1 over 4? What is the additive inverse of minus 1 over 4? A, 4, B, plus 1 over 4, C, minus 1 over 4, and D, minus 1, C, minus 4, and D, minus 1 over 4. We are asked for the additive inverse of minus 1 over 4. Now when you see this kind of question, the first thing that should run through your mind is that what is additive inverse? Now additive inverse of a number simply refers to the number that will be added to this number and will yield what? 0. That is, the additive inverse of a number is the number that when added to a number yields 0. So I say additive inverse of a number is the number inverse of a number is the number that which when what added to the number will yield what? Will yield 0. So now we have what? Minus 1 over 4. We have minus 1 over 4. And the best way for us to get an additive inverse is by what? Is by changing the sign of our number. By what? Changing the sign. Changing the sign. You know, changing sign simply means what? Converting a negative number to a positive number, and converting what? A positive number to a negative number. So therefore now here we have what? Minus 1 over 4. And like we know, for us to find the additive inverse of what? Minus 1 over 4, we must look for a number that when we add to this minus 1 over 4 will give us 0. That is a number, let me term that number x, which when added to this minus 1 over 4 will give us 0. Then we say this x is the additive inverse of what? Of minus 1 over 4. Now, like I told you, to find the additive inverse of what? A number, you change the sign. Now we have minus 1 over 4 here. When we change the sign of this minus 1 over 4, what do we have? We have what? Plus 1 over 4. So therefore now, this x now means what? X is equal to minus 1 over 4, because when we add, now let us do the addition. When we add minus 1 over 4 plus minus 1, no, plus 1 over 4 now, plus, let me put this in brackets, 1 over 4, you have what? Minus 1 over 4. This will give us, this is equals to minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. This will give us minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Now let's simplify it. Our LCM now will be what? Our LCM will be 4, because it's common to both of them. Now we have that what? 4 in 4 is 1, and 1 times what? Minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. We'll have minus 1 plus, now 4 in 4 will give us 1. 1 times plus 1 will give us what? Plus 1 in brackets. Plus 1. So this will give us what? This will give us minus 1 plus 1 all over 4. And minus 1 plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 0 over 4. And like we know, anything that's what is divided by 0, no, anything, when we divide 0 by anything, our answer is equals to what? Is equals to 0. So you see that what? The additive inverse of minus 1 over 4 is just simply what? Plus 1 over 4, which is B. B is our answer, because additive inverse simply means what? The number that you add to a number, a particular number that will give you 0. And therefore, when you add plus 1 over 4 to minus 1 over 4, you definitely have 0. So minus 1 over 4, which is given to us, its additive inverse is plus 1 over 4, and that is B. B is our correct answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.